Hello, Selena here. Today I'm going to talk about how to turn your Facebook personal profile into a client magnet. There are 5 touch points which you can easily implement and optimize your Facebook personal profile. But before we jump right in, I want to quickly talk about Facebook page and Facebook personal profile because I've seen so many people struggling, posting, but did not get the result that they deserve simply because they've been posting on Facebook page without running ads. First, we need to understand this. Facebook page is for people who like to run ads, and Facebook will push out content only when you spend money on running ads. So if you're just starting out and you would like to grow your audience organically without running ads, Facebook personal profile will be a better option for you. All right, so let's dive right in. This is the ebook that I created for you to take away. I will be putting the link down below this video for you to download this file so you can start implementing right away. So here is the introduction. Basically, your Facebook profile, you should treat it as your storefront. When people first landed on your page, they're going to be asking these questions. Who is this? Is this for me? Can I trust them? What should I do next? And remember, a confused mind never buys. So here is the summary for all 5 touch points, which I will walk you through one by one. Here we go. Touch point number 1, your Facebook profile banner. This is your core marketing message, which is the most important part where people first landed on your page, the first thing that they will see. You wanted to keep it simple, compelling, and easy to understand. I'm also giving you my simple framework so you can easily implement it and then make it your version right away. Touch point number 2, this is the banner description, and it's also the most forgotten area, and it's also a very easy fix. It's a good place to clarify your offer. You can add a simple CTA, and don't forget you can add your link here, which will drive more traffic to your funnel, to your product page, and you can collect your email list even when you're not around. So don't miss this. Touch point number 3, over here is the intro section. Facebook only allow 101 character in this section. So that means no fluff, just keep it simple. One sentence. I've seen people create a very clever sentence, but they forgot to keep a link here. And this is another good place where you can insert your link and get more traffic to your product page. So don't waste it, do it. Touch point number 4, this is your profile detail. And think of it, this section as your storefront profile rather than your personal profile. Because this is not the place where you put your resume. I've seen people, they put like where the school that I graduated from, what city do I live, whether I'm married or single. Less distractions means, they can stay focused. You want your audience to take action. So you don't want noise. You want to direct them into your link. So this is the place where you can put your product link, your funnel link, and remember to keep it simple. 1 or 2 link max. Again, confused mind never buys. So you can have your funnel link and then you can add additional, maybe your social media link as your value post and backend support. That's it. Don't confuse them by putting so many links over there. Too many options equals no action. Touch point number 5. This is where your portfolio and proof that you're going to be showing here in this section. So you can put your story here, your testimonial here, your results, and also your free tips. And this is a great place to build connection with your audience, your authority, and build trust. I hope you get all the points. Last but not least, now you get my 5 touch points to optimize your Facebook personal profile. What to do next? Here, I'm giving you my bonus to help you get 1,000 leads on Facebook for free. All you need to do is click the link over here to download it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be dropping the link below this video for you to download my ebook. Happy creating. I'll see you next time.